Are you tired of outrageous phone bills? Do you dread the thought of hidden fees and confusing contracts? Traditional phone systems can be a real headache for individuals and businesses alike. They often lock you into expensive plans with limited flexibility. This can be a major drain on your budget, especially if your communication needs change over time. But there's good news. You don't have to put up with these hassles any longer. There's a better way to stay connected without breaking the bank. Robotalker.com offers a refreshing alternative to traditional phone systems. With Robotalker, you get all the communication power you need at a fraction of the cost. Starting at just $15 per month, you can enjoy unlimited calls and texts. This is perfect for both personal and business use. Robotalker's monthly plans are designed to be flexible and adaptable to your specific needs. Whether you need a single number or hundreds, Robotalker has you covered. Our plans offer a range of unique numbers to suit any requirement. You can choose from 50 to thousands of different numbers. This ensures you have enough lines for all your communication purposes. No matter the size of your business or the scope of your personal network, Robotalker has a plan that fits. Unlock the power of Robotalker. Simple, contract-free, and scalable. Robotalker is incredibly easy to use. There are no complicated setups or technical jargon to worry about. You can get started right away with our straightforward platform. Plus, we believe in giving you the freedom to choose. That's why all our plans are contract-free. You're never locked into a long-term commitment. And as your needs grow, upgrading your plan is a breeze. Simply choose the plan with more numbers and features, and you're good to go. Start communicating today. Ready to experience the Robotalker difference? It's easy to get started. Simply visit Robotalker.com and browse our range of affordable plans. Select the plan that best suits your needs and sign up in minutes. Once you're signed up, you can start making calls and sending texts right away. Don't wait any longer to unlock unlimited communication possibilities. Visit Robotalker.com now.